Well, this new house is so good. I just seen a lizard on the balcony, but I don't see it anymore. And shout out to Santa Cruz. Don't worry, I know. DeShawn in this camera, Yeah, boy, you see that, boy? You see that? Yeah. AK-47 hit you hard from the ankle. Yeah, you know him. Watch your cartoons. Yeah. See these balls? See that? Let me take y'all to the pool area. The pool area where it all happens. Okay, this is where it all happens, baby. Yeah, this is where it all happens. First, I'm gonna take y'all to my secret hideout. It's underground. And then we go look at the pool. That's for the house, so nobody can get in. You gotta know the code. Okay, this is my secret hideout. You ready? That's how you open it. Put your finger under there. Open it like that. Pull it. Come in. Close the door. You lock it. This is my hideout. All this other stuff. Yeah, I'm getting out. Yeah. Close it. Taking y'all to the pool area. Yeah. Here we go. Shout out to Savannah. Cousin watching cartoons. Then after the pool area, I'll show y'all the game room. This the pool, y'all. This where I be doing it. This where I be getting it in at. You know we got a barbecue. Yeah, we going to Disney World. Yeah. Right there. That's Disney World, baby. Yeah. I'm taking y'all to the game room. Here we go. It's all right there, baby. Look at that. My cousin right now playing pool with his hands. Named Trevor. That's ice hockey. Yeah, we in the garage. That's how we be getting it in. Alright, peace out, baby.